Hey guys, I just want to show you how to set up the mini PC for Android 4.0. Basically this little device will turn your television into a working computer instantly. Okay, and it's a really cheap method to go about doing so. Okay, instead of in terms of options, you can purchase a computer, purchase a laptop, or purchase this, and then you set up the whole thing on your television. Then you have a computer out of a television, which is a very great deal. Okay, so first of all, you need to make sure that your television has, let me show you here, that you need to make sure your television has an HDMI port like this. Alright, HDMI port. And why? Because that's the port we're going to be using, right? Right here. We're going to be connecting to the television through the HDMI port. Okay? So here's the heavy-duty HDMI wire. Okay, if you take a look at this, okay, we've connected the heavy-duty HDMI wire to the mini PC device. We've also connected the power supply, okay, because it needs power. See that? Okay, that's the power supply right there. Okay, so it's connected, and then we also have a USB nano receiver. This is the little mouse that we're going to use in just a little while to control, basically the cursor on the screen. Okay, so let's take this. Okay, we're going to connect this right there. Check this out. Okay, we're going to put this right there. Just connect it real easily. Okay, there we go, and it's done. Basically, that's done. Okay, so we're gonna put this television back on the onto the wall, and then let's see how we can adjust it with the television turned on. We're gonna turn on the television, which I just did. Okay, the television is gonna get started, right? And then we have anyway. Check this out. Okay, so we have the mini PC device all set up just now, as we said. Okay, through the heavy-duty HDMI wire. Okay, with the power being supplied here through this, and also we have the USB nano receiver for the little mouse that we're going to use for the time being. Okay, so here's the little mouse. Okay, so I just want to show you how we're going to set this up. Okay, so once it starts, this is what it's going to look like. You got to make sure that it's on HDMI channel, on the output. I'm sorry. Let's check this out. Okay, so let's say we click here. Let's say we go here. You see we have TV, AV1, AV2, blah blah blah, and then it's got to be on HDMI. Okay, that's the output, right? Okay, so here we're in settings, right? We've clicked into settings, and then the first thing we need to do is turn on Wi-Fi. Look at my little cursor here. I'm going to show you where I'm talking about. So first of all, we need to turn on Wi-Fi. Okay, this is assuming that we already have Wi-Fi service here at home. Okay, so we've set up Wi-Fi service. Okay, so I can have multiple devices at home in this hotspot, basically accessing the internet, right? Through Wi-Fi. Okay, so basically here's the connection we're using. It's Android AP. We'll click into that password by random that we selected here. But anyway, see here it says connected. Okay, and then so we're connected to the internet, right? So we're gonna go back out, and then we're gonna go to applications just to show you that we're connected. Okay, so we're gonna go to the Play Store, Google Play Store, right? And it should open up right away, and then see that's there. We've opened up. Okay, so we're connected to the internet right now through Wi-Fi, basically. Okay, and this is this Team Awesome Free. It's just a game. If you want, you can download it. If not, we can just go back out, click the back button, and then we're back out. Let me see, and then let's go to. Okay, so let's try this one. Let's go to the browser. Let's go to a browser, right? So let's go to the browser, and then click Google. Go to Google. It's going to search for that right away. See that? Auto search. And we're going to Google right now. It's a little bit slow because the Wi-Fi service we have here is not the fastest, but it works. You see, so it's great for just demonstrating what it can do. There we go. So that's Google right there. Google Hong Kong. Okay. And of course you could turn that to English if you want. So let's see. Let's say we want to go to an email. We want to check email to see if we have emails from, if we're receiving any emails, right? So we can click in here. After you have set up your email, then you will be able to check your email just like the way you do on your computer. Okay, and then you can reply and stuff. So this is really interesting. Like, see that? So let's go back out, and then we can scroll down, just like you do with Windows, right? Very interesting. Okay, okay, so I don't want to go here, so I want to go back out. Okay, so that's our mini PC TV computer, and we've just successfully turned our television, basically, with a couple $100 and we've turned it into a working computer, and then we can do searches online. We can search anything we want. If you get the air mouse, you could be typing. You could be typing with a keyboard and a mouse at the same time. The fly mouse, basically, is called. Okay, any questions? Welcome you to submit inquiries. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.